Alright friends, welcome back to Boardwalk Adventures. Today, Saturday the 30th, we decided to slow down on this holiday weekend, go to the beach, relax, decompress, smell the ocean air, and enjoy life. Because sometimes we're rushing around and we never have time to stop and just enjoy ourselves. So walk with us, enjoy. This is at Garfield Garage at Hollywood Beach. And then you have the beach on this side. Check this out. Beautiful day, beautiful Saturday. Always take time for yourself and enjoy life. And if you live by the beach, go to the beach, enjoy, sit down, smell the ocean air. Look at the water. Jump in the water. Beautiful turquoise blue water. Emerald green. We're gonna stop and grab something to drink, snack on something. I'm gonna show you that for years, a spot that I used to come to for years to get a a soft serve ice cream here on Hollywood Boardwalk. Check this out. This is one of my favorite spots. I've been coming to this place since 2009. Oh yeah, one of my favorite spots. So this is the owner of my favorite ice cream stop here on our Boardwalk. And I remember many years ago when she was pregnant. And now how old is the baby?
12.
Oh my God, bless him. And I'm gonna continue to get my ice creams from this spot until the day I die, unless I move to Hawaii somewhere. But thank you so much throughout the years I've been coming here, and I still come here. We're gonna go get something to eat and then come back and get my ice cream. All right?
See you later.
All right, guys, here is Nick's Bar. It's right on the Boardwalk as well in Hollywood Beach. It's a very popular spot. Come get some food, some delicious cold drinks. And then next to it, we have Sahara, which is another spot. You can get a whole pizza pie. We've come here before, and a pitcher of soda or beer. Really inexpensive price. Sahara's.
And thousands more, plus millions of podcasts.
Here we have the Hollywood Beach band shell. Here we have bands playing in the evening on Fridays and Saturdays. Good vibe. They used to bring out the benches, which are over there. They're stacked up, and they'll line them up over here in the evening. Got restrooms right there, and then Margaritaville is right there with the flow rider, which I've been on, but on the Royal Caribbean cruise on Symphony of the Seas. I think you pay like $40. Oh, there you go. We're gonna go to Wings. Wings is a store where you can get beachwear and things for the beach and vacation stuff. This was in here before. Fat Tuesdays. You want to get your drink on by the beach? Here you go. Fat Tuesdays, baby. This is Wings. This is where you find a bunch and stuff. Go on vacation, you got some souvenirs, beach toys for the kids, sweaters, hats, everything. All right, guys, not everyone knows that we're staying at the Margaritaville Hotel and Resort, but we're gonna walk through that. We're gonna show you a point of view experience of the hotel. So check us out. Check it out. This is gonna be the entrance. We got the bellman, the bellhop. We're gonna walk in this place and enjoy.
Yeah, you can see it.
We got the big flip flop as you enter. Reservations. Look how beautiful this place is. This is as you walk in. As soon as you walk in, you see, look at the seating area. This is the lobby. You can wait for your room here. Let's keep walking. So they have cabanas here. On this side, they look like cabanas. They're not cabanas. They look like cabanas. This is like a nice lounging area. This is really, really nice. This is Margaritaville on Hollywood Beach, Hollywood, Florida. It's a good spot to chill while you wait for your room to be ready. Heading towards the back of the hotel, which is on the boardwalk. Behind the hotel, you'll have the Margaritaville swimming pool and also the flow rider. Welcome back to BroadwalkAdventures. Yes, welcome back, guys. Thank you for subscribing. I need more subscribers, but thank you for those who have subscribed. I will be coming with a lot of amazing videos. I'm getting better as I go. I've been doing this since January. And again, thank you so much for the love and subscribing to my channel, giving me likes. I need more likes as well, but I do appreciate everything. Yes, today, again, we're at Hollywood Beach. We had to slow down after a long work week, hard work week. Enjoy the ocean, the beach. We do live in a paradise. And now we're gonna go get something to eat. Sit back or come walk with us. Oh yeah. Swiss.